Hey everyone, this is my bruder man built that I'm building in the cc01 chassis here. I had to change some stuff to it. As you can see, I already mounted the body. I did some modifications to it. The suspension on it wasn't working. Even with one spring or one of the shocks, I put the firm spring on there and it still wasn't enough. I tried it out outside and I like the speed of it. And I was jumping with it, and it was jumping pretty well. But I didn't like the suspension with the one spring. So what I did is put two of them. It has one of the springs that the stiff one, and then it has a medium one. I painted everything black, as you can see, but it's been scraped up already. Not everything black, but most everything in the bottom black. It got scraped up from jumping on it. I also built I'm going to be changing that servo. That was just to test it out. It's not the metal gear, which I will put in there. But the suspension on it works. It works really well. And now with two, it actually is perfect. Before I used to, like every time I turned, it would just go like that. Too much body roll. I made a shield for the bottom. You can see right here. It's a metal plate. It's made out of metal and it fits perfect. For the like full extension, it barely even touches right there, and it lets it articulate pretty much like it should. I got the stainless steel springs. Screws on it. Everything. It works fine. I mean, it drives great. I like I like the motor on it. The 60 turn motor is perfect for it. It has speed, but it also has a crawling capability to it. And I think what the problem with the suspension is that the springs, it was just this body right here, and then plus this is what's going to be going in the back right here, which is not on yet, of course, but it's going to be going up a little higher like that. It was too much weight. It was too much weight for the body, and it was just too much. I'm gonna be cutting the back. I'll show you guys when it's more finished, or closer to being finished. But yeah, I mean, I tried it out like this, and I like the way it's set up right now, because with this suspension right here in the back, this really helps good for the crawling. And with the stiffer suspension now in the front, and I could adjust both springs according to whatever I want, more stiffer suspension or softer, it actually turns very well. It doesn't, before, like I said, when I had one spring, even with the firm spring on there at full tension almost, I would still turn, and it would just just way too much body roll. I think it's because of the high center of gravity with this body. It's not that light. And so I ended up putting two. It works perfect. They're not touching. Everything is stiff. On the spring, on the screw down here, I put a Loctite so it won't come out. And it's everything is fine. It works out perfect. It does what it's supposed to. I really like it. I got the servo, the metal gear servo, waiting in the garage just to install it, and I'm working on this. Like I said, on this box right here right now. I'll end up doing more to it tonight and end up finishing it up, and I gotta see how I'm gonna bolt it on there. But so far so good. Like I said, it's a good has good speed. I was jumping it outside. There's a little like 2 or 3 inch step out there that I was going in the dirt and jumping off of it, and the speed wise and everything, it was perfect, just like the Dakar trucks. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'll keep you guys updated.